to class 2 fractions.
Hmm. We'll practice fractions for grade 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
The fraction for 2/5 is, that means 2, 5.
2 by 5.
Yeah, 2 by 5.
So if we divide.
So that means there will be 5. It will be divided into 2 equal.
If anything, if there is something which we divide into 5 equal parts, so we are taking only 2 parts out of them. So the upper thing is called numerator, the lower thing is called denominator.
Yeah.
Denominator means the total number of parts and numerator means
the total number of parts we are taking.
Huh.
2 and 5. So here's the numerator and here's the denominator. What fraction of the squares is shaded? So first we need to find out how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The denominator. Then 2 are taken away. The numerator. Numerator. So 2 by 5. This one. Choose the figure representing the fraction of the shaded part equated to 4 by 8. That means there will be 8 parts and 4 are taken. So this looks correct because there are 4 parts taken. So that's the numerator. Let's check for the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Let's see A. What fraction of the given figure is shaded? So 6 pieces and 3 are taken away. So 3 by 6. The fraction of the given collection is 1 by 9 of 27. So there are 27 pieces. So and one piece is equal to 9 pieces.
The fraction of the given collection.
So I
1/9
think it's
of
3.
27.
I think it's 3.
Yeah, correct.
Of the rectangle is shaded. So 2 will go up because it's the numerator. So how many parts are taken? Then 4. How many parts are there? Denominator. So 2 by 4.
So that's actually half, 1 by 2.
Yeah, that's actually half. So we can also write it as 1 by 2. Because it's in half of that. Which one of the following is the fraction boy faces in the given figure? So first let's find out how many faces are there with multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. So there are 8 taken away, so 8 by 20. But we can't find the 8 by 20. So let's find out the half for it. Maybe that can be the answer. By 20. So 8 divided by 2 equals to 4, and 20 divided by 8 divided by 8.
So first we'll say total number 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's 20.
And it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 20.
Yeah, but we don't have that, so let's divide it.
So we'll find a common factor of 8 and 20.
Yeah.
So if we say 8 divided by 20, let's say in we find a common factor. Common factor means we'll say number 4.
So 8.
4 in fourth table we'll get 8 also, 20 also. Okay, so we'll say 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja
20.
So the answer will be 2 by 5.
2 by 5, it's here. Identify which of the following does not repeat a part of
Represent
of a part of a given whole. Which of the? So you might be thinking B is the answer, but it represents a whole, but we don't need to represent a whole. Identify which of the following does not represent a part of the given whole. The given whole.
Given whole is B.
Alright, then we have to find out which one does not represent a part.
Rest everything represents C. Number A represents 3 parts of a whole.
Yeah.
C, option C represents 1 part of the whole.
Yeah.
Option D represents half part of the whole.
Yeah.
Only B represents something that is does not represent any. Only B does not represent any part of a whole. B is the complete whole.
Yeah. So we need to have a part that does not represent the given whole. The given whole is B, but B is also an option. In the math class, Gita measures the height of a plant at the end of second week of the month. So we have to find out the age of the plant.
Height of the plant.
Yeah, the height of the plant. So this whole thing is 1 foot. So let's see how many pieces are there first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12.
So 1 foot is 12 inches.
Yeah, so 1 foot is 12 inches. Now 1, 2, 3, 5 inches the plant has grown. So it will be 5 by 20.
5 by 20?
Yeah.
How come 20?
Because this whole 5 by 12. Sorry.
So we'll say it's 5 by 12.
I got a bit confused. In the maths class, Penner measures the height of a plant at the end of the fourth week of the month. So we know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So 12 inches. So let's see how much is this plant. 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 by 12 should be the answer. Which of the following represents the fraction of the present with circles on them? So first we'll count all of these pencils. Circles on them. So first there are 2 plus 4 that equals to 6. So 6 will be the denominator. So let's find out how many circles are there. There are 4. Which of the following represents the fraction of the pencil with circles? So 4. So 4 divided by 4 by 6. Sorry. Look at the figure given below. Find the fraction of the shaded part in the figure. So 1 divided by 4. What of the fraction of the squares is shaded? So the the numerator will be how many shaded and the denominator will be how many are there. So let's find out the shaders first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the numerator and the denominator 4 plus 1 more 4, 8. This is same as 2 by 4. It's a half of this. Which of the following represents the fraction of pencils without circles on them? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 pencils. Let's find out how many dots are there. So 2 are there. So that means there are 5 pencils without circles on them. So 5 divided by 7. 5 by 7.
Okay.
Fill in the blank by counting the number of the unshaded parts of the circle. 4 by 8 and 4 by 8
And another 4 by 8 will
And-
make one whole.
yeah 4
So first 4 by 8 will be for shaded.
yeah so
Another
this
4
will
by
be
8 will
so
be.
this will be an half, so we need another half to complete it.
So another 4 by 8 will make one whole.
Yeah.
So shaded is also 4 by 8. The one which is not shaded, unshaded, is also 4 by 8.
Yeah. Choose the fraction to represent the shaded portion of the rectangle. So first of all, let's find out what's the numerator. That is 2. Then it's divided by 3 because 3 is the denominator. So 3 pieces and 2 are taken away. 2 by 3. Look at the figure given below. Find the fraction of the shaded part in the figure. So let's find out how many are shaded. First of all, there are 4 on this side and 3 on this side. 7. So plus 1 more, that's 8. So 8 is the denominator and 7 is the numerator. What fraction of the square is shaded? There are 4 shaded and 4 unshaded. So 4 plus 4, that equals to 8.
It's 9. It's odd.
Yep.
So
3
4 are
plus
shaded, total
And-
are 9.
Yeah, total are 9 and 4 are shaded. So 4 by 9. So 4 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. Oopsies. In the math class, Sammy measured the height of a plant at the end of one streak of 1. So this is 1 foot. We know that equals to 12 inches. The height of the plant is, she has grown it till 5 inches. So 5 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. Right over here. What fraction of the squares in the grid are given below? Content alphabets. So let's find out how many squares are there first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25.
Okay.
No, 20.
Yeah.
Sorry. No, 25 only.
25.
Eight.
5.
So let's.
It's a 5 cross 5 grid.
So here are 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double it and we get 10 plus 6 more. 16. So 16 divided by 25.
Okay.
There is no table that these both come in.
So they don't have a common factor.
Yep. Identify which of the following does not represent a part of the given whole. It's the same question, but the answers are just shuffled.
Okay.
So D. Fill in the blanks by counting the number of the unshaded circle. 4 and 4 by 6 and
4 by 6 is shaded.
Yeah.
So unshaded will be
4 by 6. 2 by 6.
Because two portions are unshaded.
Yeah.
And 4 by 6 plus 1, 2 by 6 will make one whole.
Yeah. Look at the figure given below. The fraction of the shaded part is in the figure is. So there are 3 parts and one is shaded and 3 parts we already know.
Okay.
There are.
Okay guys, so we'll stop here. Yeah?
Okay, fine.
Okay, so we'll come again next week with some new maths video. Bye bye till then. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hope you had fun in the maths quiz.